Hey guys, Knifefic here today. Today I'm going to do an EDC update. Haven't made a video in a while. Sorry about that. I've been kind of busy and I've gotten a lot of stuff since my last video. So let's get started with this update here. So, stuff you've already seen. The wallet. My same box wallet. I don't think I'll do a review on it or anything, but it's a pretty nice wallet. It was like 25 bucks or something like that. Phone. It's the LG Optimus Fuel, the iTrack phone. Not the best phone ever, but you know, I can text and call and watch videos on it a little bit. I usually use my tablet for that, or I can play games and stuff on it too. It's kind of small though. But, yep. I will sometimes carry the Zippo, not all the time, but yep. Let's see. Bracelet. Showed that before. And I've showed this too. Cross necklace. Pretty nice. And then, this isn't like my main EDC. I'll carry this sometimes, but just like on and off. But normally I'll carry a different blade that I'm testing for a review or something. It's just nice for EDC. I like the deep carry pocket clip. Rides really nice. It looks pretty cool. Kind of custom looking. Okay, and here's the stuff that you guys haven't seen. So, it's fake, but it's a fake Benchmade 42. I don't carry this all the time. I did a few times. But yeah. So yeah, I'll have a review on that and do some flipping with it. Some more of my tutorial videos. But yeah, I don't carry that all the time, but I have. Gerber dime. Open it up here. Set this down for just a second. Sorry guys. Pliers. So yeah, I don't want to show you guys too much. I'll save that for the review. And Spyderco Delica 4. I got it used. Ooh. So yeah, I'll have a review on that coming up. So yeah, put it all out here so you guys can see it again. So yep, that's my EDC. I don't carry all of this at once. I carry that only sometimes, not always. Don't carry that too much. Don't carry that as much anymore. Wear this. I don't wear this every single day, but yep. Everything, like my phone and my wallet, multi-tool, and the knife necklace I usually have on me every day. So yeah, I don't know what my next video will be. Could do some probably a knife review or balisong clipping or something. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time, and thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. See you later.